Hey, what's going on, everyone? Real quick, give me a couple of minutes. We're going to talk about Solana today and try to figure out, would $140 be just the beginning, or could we possibly see the price in Solana continue to run to 150 to 160, maybe even $180? We're going to talk about that real quick. So before I get started, hit the like button, share it, also subscribe for more content. This is the only place that you're going to get a price prediction without any confusion. We simply look at price bars and volume to try to substantiate, okay, where is the highest probabilistic move that is going to occur into the future. So you guys can see that we did a price prediction here in Solana right here on, what is this, August the 19th. And here it is today. Price in Solana came all the way down here to this buy zone. From that video that we talked about on August the 19th, we talked about seeing buyers holding this buy zone. And so far, given what occurred on yesterday's price action, it does look as if those buyers are still there in Solana, which is fantastic. We like to see that, in a sense that outside of this buy zone, expect price in Solana to go a lot lower. That's all I'm going to say, because this area is being seen as a very important location for not allowing price to crash. So the longer that we see price hold above this buy zone, the better for the market to move higher in price. That is it. Now, when I show you a longer term chart or time frame, this buy zone may not actually hold that long. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So we're going to start out here on the weekly time frame, okay? And you guys can see that the buyers has done a fantastic job of holding price. Look at this. They've been doing a fantastic job holding the market in Solana. But then you see the sellers, they always come back and they push the price lower and lower. It's like they're chipping away at this floor. They just want it to crater all the way down to the basement. Because last week, look what we received. We got that indication of weakness again. So currently we're seeing the buyers trying to inch back higher away from that buy zone so that they can feel a little bit more comfortable. Here is Solana on the 2 weeks. Okay. 3 more days, 14 hours before this 3 weekly price bar prints. The 2 weekly price bar prints. Here it is on the 3. Again, 3 days, 14 hours. Still seeing weakness. This is Solana on the 5 weeks. Now, this is what I'm talking about, that this buy zone may not hold in the long term. Look what happened on the last 5 weeks. Look at how wide the price bar is. Look at the weakness indicator we got triggered. Look where the market closed. So the buyers, I'm not going to tell you any stories. They're making another stand. But given all of this weakness right here, another up fake. And then you have another up fake. Someone is really offloading their Solana into the market. I don't know who it is, but somebody doesn't want price to go up. Okay, and then you can see this on the monthly chart. Since we started out on the new month of September, look what August did. So currently, I'm still leaning more towards price in Solana dipping and going lower. The only thing that would negate that thought process is buyers continually holding this buy zone, which you guys can see is currently ongoing. Okay, right here. That's where the buyer came in. So will we have follow through though? We need to really see the price in Solana as it came down. It stopped. We need to see a very quick push to the upside. And so far we're not getting that. You guys can see it's kind of struggling to kind of go higher. We want to see a very quick move because it tells us that those sellers didn't have a big impact on price as it was trading down around 120, 125. Okay, so now I'm going to leave my price prediction here. Maybe we might see price run to 140, maybe a little bit shorter than 150, 145 or so. But then you may need to consider, would that be the high? Okay, so before I go, yes, price currently is within our price target. Will it be crazy to take some off the table right now? No, it wouldn't. especially as I've told you that these buyers can still hold this buy zone. So why not come in, take some of this off the table at 6.2% profit right there? Why not? There's nothing wrong with that, especially seeing that if you're playing the opposite side of the market of what it is currently trying to do, i.e. is trying to go up, then yeah, go ahead and take some off. Because at the low of yesterday's price action, it was 13% at the low. Something that we talked about. I'm quite sure that this was our target area right around this vicinity right here. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Like I said, just getting a couple of minutes. It shouldn't take too long to figure out what price is trying to do in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here. I'm going to extend the price prediction over a little bit, and we're going to give the market more opportunity to show us what it wants to do. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.